Welcome back to Everyday with Wood. Today I'm gonna be doing pork chops, mixed vegetables, and yellow rice. And get all my seasons I'm gonna be using. Alright, I'm gonna drop the pork chops in the pan. My seasons I'm gonna be using complete. Can you go in the house? Oh, I ain't know that was you.
What are you doing?
Doing the voiceover. And I can't hear what's saying. You finished already?
Yep.
Yeah, it looked like I'm over seasoning it, but I really didn't. It was a lot of pork chops. And I'm gonna be using cream of chicken too. I had forgot. That's why I was like, dang, I put too much seasoning. I forgot I was gonna use the cream of chicken because it's already gonna have like seasoning there. Had forgot. And I really talked through this video, but it had a lot of like I had the fan on. Kids was talking, over talking that night. It was a late night. Just trying to hurry up and finish dinner, but it was good. Especially the vegetables. I had made the vegetables like garlic, but y'all should just watch it to the end. All right, I'm finna mix some meat up, getting it right. Be honest with you, did like over season a little bit, but it was still good. Cause I told you I was adding cream of chicken, and I wasn't much thinking, but it was still good. And I am not gonna fast forward it. I'm not gonna play no music. I had got a couple of copyright claims. Soon as I had started getting paid, and they took a big chunk of my money. So no, I'm not paying no music. I said, this is crazy. They wait till you make money, and then they come and steal for you. But it said free, but I guess they waited till you get monetized and make money. All right, I'm done seasoning. What I'm doing right now, finna set them up, put in the oven, and we'll just see how the end look. All right, I'm finna add my onions. I meant bell peppers. I said onions. I'm tripping. Now I'm adding my onions. This dish look good so far. Y'all comment down below if it look good. Do the foil. I already have the oven still preheating. Look at all this shit. My kids love my cooking. Charlie, what I tell you to do? Stop playing with me, Charlie. Trying to think how I'm gonna do my next lesson.
I'm gonna do them garlic, straight garlic. That's how I'm gonna do my mixed vegetables today. So, this my pork chops. They going in real tight. But, they do what they do. I'm gonna boil them at the end, and I'm gonna do my mixed vegetables and rice. So I've been tripping lately. I forgot to mix this in here. I'm gonna put half a stick of butter. Break it up. Throw it everywhere. That's all we need. This gonna be a good time. I know it is. It's gonna be a real good time. Yes, sir. Do it right. This, we need 2.5 cups of water, 2.5 cups of water. So we need to add 4.5 cups of water, well 5 cups of water. So that's what we're gonna add. I still need to add another half. Add one more half. That's what we using. Yes, sir. And that's one thing I always add. I'll add seasoned salt. I add that avocado oil. Bug you up. Yes, sir. And this is my vegetables I'm gonna add. Let it pour a little oil. I'm letting them steam a little bit. I wish I had some. I had last night. Them things were chain. But gotta use what you gotta use. I'm finna garlic these tonight. Oh my god. I just waste everything. Like I got some in my freezer. I just waste everything. Move, baby. My baby right here trying to give up. Move, baby. I just waste everything. It's alright, man. That's why you gotta have more. Baby! Move! I just waste everything. You okay? I had some more in the refrigerator. And it's frozen. They get it right. Baby! Can you move, baby? Baby don't care. I ain't even stirred these yet. Yeah, they smell like a Chinese food restaurant. They garlic. And they have a little water with it. They have water with it. This is gonna be the best thing. Yes, sir. That's what I'm dropping. Drop it 2. Everything almost done. But my pork chops, I'm gonna drop cream of chicken. Choice ain't getting on me.
Why?
Why you waiting on my food? Put this lid on that. Let this get right. Alright. Check my meat. Yes, baby. I'm gonna put this creamy chicken on here. Alright, so I'm gonna put this creamy chicken on here. I was looking for another one because I like that shit have 4 cans, gorgeous. Second can, but I should have 4 cans. It's alright. It'll straight on. So this cream of chicken poach up. Come on today. Cream of chicken poach up. I'm gonna put this on boil. Got to. Gotta get right. You need something to push the button. Put it on boil. Let me wipe this off. That's how my meat looking. That's how my pork chops, cream of chicken looking. Yes, I want this one right here. They fall off the bone. Falling all the way off the bone.
I did backwards.
I need to get another one. So good. Damn. I ain't know my food like that, but it's good. I need to try this dish. Comment down below. It's good.
All right, make sure you hit the notification button, subscribe button, comment it down below if you're gonna do this dish. Bye.